What's up, fam? How are you doing? Welcome to my Fitness Friday. If it's your first time here, thank you so much for coming, and if it's your second time or third time, or you're always a member of this family, kisses to you. So on today's video, I'm going to share with you different planks that will help you if you're looking for a tiny waist, or maybe you just want to have flat abs. This workout is for you. So I have my phone right here, and I'll be using the stopwatch because I really need to time myself on this workout. Some of them I'll be doing for maybe 1 minute, some of them are going to be 40 seconds. Of course, I'm gonna start with some stretches, and then I can get into the real planks. Yes, so these kind of planks are going to help you even work out your entire body. So feel free to join, and let's get started.
I don't wanna see you while you fall apart. Even though you told me to get back your heart, I still spin inside your orbit. Yeah, you say that I should probably start to walk away. I'm hoping that you'll stop and make me have to stay, cause I'm floating in your orbit. Yeah, I'm stuck in your space. It's my luck, baby, you're where you understand. There's nothing left to say. Pull me back, take my hand, come on, name, you understand, I wanna stay. Cause I don't wanna walk away. Cause I don't wanna walk away. Cause I don't wanna walk away. Yeah, I'm stuck in your space. It's my luck, baby, you're where you understand. There's nothing left to say. Pull me back, take my hand, I wanna leave. You understand, I wanna stay. Cause I don't wanna walk away. I wanna see you while you fall apart. Even though you told me to get back your heart, still spinning inside your orbit. I should probably start to walk away. I'm hoping that you'll stop and make me have to stay, cause I'm floating in your orbit. Pull me back, take my hand, come on, name, you understand, I wanna stay. Cause I don't wanna walk away. Yeah, I'm stuck in your space. It's my luck, baby, you're where you understand. There's nothing left to say. Pull me back, take my hand, I wanna leave. You understand, I wanna stay. Cause I don't wanna walk away. Pull me back, take my hand, come on, name, you understand, I wanna stay. Cause I don't wanna walk away. for some trouble. When he's around, my problems seem like double. Stupid eyes put me on nice and slow me down, don't wanna do this.
Good people, we're getting to the last one. Yep. And the last one is 1 minute long.
Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. I can't help myself, you're a drug to me. I just can't get enough. I know this is love, so come close to me while we're still young. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more.
This 1 minute thing is usually not a joke. Oh god. I'm done with the planks, guys. And now I'm going to do a little bit of stretching.
Here we are, a million stars floating over our heads. Beating hearts, falling apart, staying up to forget. But baby, we'll fall. We all go dancing down, and paradise is found. We're shaking up the ground, 'cause there ain't no stopping now. Say there ain't no stopping now. No, there ain't no stopping now. There ain't no stopping we could be flying free, leave our worries below. Safe and sound, no one around. Say the word and we'll go. But baby, we'll fall. We all go dancing down, and paradise is found. We're shaking up the ground, 'cause there ain't no stopping now.
That's it for today, good people. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for working out with me if you're working out. And if you've gotten to this point and you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly just press on that lady and then join this amazing family. Until next week on Friday, good people. Kisses to you. Did I close my eyes? Okay.